How to get free coins on Webtoon. What's up everyone, welcome back to another quick tutorial video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can get some free coins on the Webtoons official website. But before we begin, make sure to head down below to give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel as well. Turn on the bell icon so you get notified about our latest uploads. On that note, let's dive in. So the first thing that you want to do is open up your browser and then make sure you get to your Webtoons website and then log into your account. So one easy way to get free coins is on the top you will see different tabs like originals, genres, popular, and canvas. You want to head over to canvas and then you have to read 30 canvas each Sunday to get free coins. So it does not have to be the same one, you can do a different one, but in total you'll have to do 30 on a Sunday. So if you do that, you'll get some free coins. That is the first method. And the second method is if you have any kind of promo codes, uh, let's say if you got it from your friend or any Discord servers or some websites like those, here is how you can enter the promo code to get free coins. So at the top right, you will see your profile. Click on it and just head over to your account tabs right here. If you scroll down a bit, you will see this redeem free coins option. So here it says, please select the button on the right to enter your promotion code. Click on this button right here and choose what type of device you're using, and then you can just enter your promo code here and apply. And if your code is valid, then you should get the free coins as promised by the code. And that's how you basically get free coins on Webtoon. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.